girls. Well done, Sienna.
Move in. Alia, move them in. Come press. Work, Ruby. Work, Marco. Work. Drop that shot, man.
Well done, Kimberly. Well done. Up, girls, up.
Work, Kimberly. Work.
Well done, Chloe.
Go, Chloe.
Well done.
Thank
you. Well done.
Good team, girls. Good team. Gotta work. Let's go, Ruby. Away from the rock.
Come on, Summer. Wind up, Summer. That'll do. Well done, Summer.
Find your friend.
Girls, the line!
Go for it, Ava. Use it. Chloe, Summer, let's go, Chloe. Well done, Jack, you're up. Well done, Jack. Ava, let's go, take control, Ava.
Ava, kick the top. That'll do, girl, that'll do.
Chloe, get in there first, hit. Let's go, middle.
They're covering the leader.
Go, Summer.
Nice there.
Chloe. Chloe, sit on Summer. Ruby, up.
Forward. Let's go forward.
Ruby.
Go, Chloe. Wind up, Chloe. Go, Chloe. Cool, girl.
Danny Brown.
We just set one up.
Oh, they've got a... Someone touch on that side. Off your line, girls.
Get up quick, girls. Get up quick.
Push around. Go across, Aaliyah. Break, girls, quickly.
Ava, pull the brakes.
Have we only got 12?
Break.
Go, let's see!
Stack, girls. You got to stack.
Have we got 12 or not? Someone cancelled it. We've got 12.
Wait,
No. You get on.
No, you just go push on. Center. Go inside the area up there, okay?
Push Leah in. Push Leah in.
Just go here.
Go, let's see!
Any message? Go. Any other?
We need a press.
Nice, let's see!
Emma should be on.
Hello. They give me the job of turning it on. thought he was already on before.
Where's the on button? Oh, right there. Good. Good take your glasses off to see it.
Let's go, Zoe! Go, Zoe!
It's so much easier.
Thank you.
That's all right, mate.
A
beer.
Just sit right here. Just in that room for a
Yeah,
while.
there's an esky just there.
Right
Hey.
here.
Yeah, was that ours?
Yeah.
Just go.
They're all different areas.
Push in. Area, push in, push in. Gotta work, Ruby, you gotta work.
Yes, Kelly!
Push in, Ariella, push in.
Two runners.
Oh, good man. Get up, son. Get up, guys, get up.
Yes, Kelly!
On your front.
Work, Summer, work.
Off your line,
Work,
girls.
Ruby, work, Ruby.
Hi, Zoe.
Go with her now!
That's it, Chloe. Good job, Chloe. It's coming your way, Summer. Work,
Well done,
girls.
girls.
Work, girls. Get up, Ariella, get up. Get up, Summer. Make it. Get up, Ariella.
Right next to them.
Okay, girls.
Girls, sit on defense. Set. Keep it up, Chloe.
Off your line,
Get
girls.
up here, Summer. Let's go, Chloe, Summer. Get up,
Get
girls.
up,
Get up,
girls.
Summer. Get up. Work, Ruby. Get up. Gear up, get your side up.
Right, okay, please.
Get up to work, Summer.
Up, girls, up. Good, Matt. Well done, Kennedy.
Summer, work here. Let's go. Turn around.
Ava, Summer, Chloe. Come on, Chloe, let's go. Up.
Bring the line up, Ruby. Summer, you're going to have to bring that line up in the middle. Bring it up.
Right, let's go.
Stay in front of her, Ruby. Stay in front of her.
Go, well done.
Come on, let's go. Ava, let's go.
Get ready to put Kira in the second row. Give one of our
S to us. S to us. Let's go, Ruby. You haven't touched the ball yet.
You're going to go as the second row.
Come on, Ruby. Go, Ruby. Pump, Ruby, pump. Run it onto it, girls. Run it onto it.
Go, Charmaine. Oh, no, Charmaine.
Go, let's say our give. Come on, girls. You've got to run onto it. Go, Chloe.
Go, Chloe. Well done, Chloe. Push in.
Ava, Leo.
Get up.
Give, Ava.
Wait.
Give.
Play up.
Give, Ava.
Go on, James. Well done, Ava.
Get up, Chloe!
Well done, Scarlett.
Get up together, girls! Connected! Get up!
Come on, girls.
Keep working, girls! Keep working!
Up your line.
Up together, girls! Up together!
Well done, Summer.
Stack, girls! Stack!
Up, Alea.
Get up,
Ava.
Chloe! Get up, Chloe!
Ava, up.
Get up, Ava!
Good shot, Chloe.
Stop good! Stop good!
Yes.
Good work, Chloe!
Get Kira on there. Billy, swap Kira. I want Kira on. Wake up, Kira. Come on.
Bring Chloe up.
Line speed! Line speed!
Hey, Remy!
Yes, Chloe!
Run out.
Yes!
Emily!
Yes, Chloe!
Oh, look at the head around the neck.
Come on! Ariella! Ariella, right to the line! Right to the line! Stay in!
You're right,
Middle,
You're right.
Alia!
Go.
Go, Ava, go!
Yes, Steve, get it!
Same way, Alia!
Stay wide.
Same way, Alia! Let it go, Kira! Kira Lee, let it go!
Get it up, Rowie! Go, Rowie, all the way! Come on!
Chase Summer, work Summer! Work Summer! Get up, Ava!
Zoe, Kelly, and me. Okay. Come, walk along. Come down. Oh, yeah, just wait here.
Good job, Pete! I'll be good in like maybe 2 minutes. I just need to stretch out my hips.
Jump in the center for Rana. Jump up in the center. Yep, so the center. So jump on now. She's ready to come on.
Quick. Randy over there, Tom. Get on the chair.
Now, after this, you have a count with the ref and about swimming around this head slamming.
What's he playing?
other side. Oh no, Emily. Push over the other side a bit. We've got to work here. We've got to work here. We've got to work. Star, we've got to work. Let's work. Big chase. Get up, Chloe.
That's it, too, that's
Get on
it.
it, get on it.
Good runner. Yes, Chloe. Great work, girls, great work. Sit up. Work over.
Get in
Work
there,
over. Work over. Yes,
Get in there,
Chloe.
get in there.
Help her out, Chloe. Help Chloe.
Star, you got to move up. Emily, you got to move up.
Emily, you got to move up.
Whoever wants it. Oh, sitter.
We're getting more defenders on them. That's all they've got. That's all they're coming. They're coming through our ruck. That's all they're doing.
I come in peace.
Also, they consider that food just later.
Gotta get the contact, Leah. Gotta get the contact on. Push in, girls, push in. Leah, push in.
Leah, push in. Ava, push in. Come on, get up.
Get up, girls, get up.
There you go, there.
Stack.
Summer, move, bro. Left, Summer, left. Get up there, get up.
Well done, Ruth. Get up, Ava. Fake.
Keep chasing, Summer, keep chasing.
Good one. Get up, Summer.
Good timing.
Hang on.
All good, girls, all good. Defend. Good territory.
Good, Charlie.
Well done, Lily. Good work, mate. Body on the line, champ. Well done.
Oh, yeah.
Put it in there, yeah?
Yes, 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 yes.
Oi, we got to get this shit out of these bottles. They don't like it. They keep spitting it out. They won't drink it. Yeah, that's right. Let them get them out because they get the salts in it. Exactly. It makes your mouth less dry. It's exactly what
I feel I like it.
you know what? Kiralee, get in there. Let's go organise here. Giovanni, get ready.
Well, that's what I mean. A ticker. You've got it.
Well, so did I, but maybe if it's lower.
Yeah?
Oh, so that might be actually never done this because it's so long.
Heads up,
Ava,
girls. Heads up.
Ava,
Come on.
next one, pass it out. What about that? Ava, get in the scrum there. Ava, get in the scrum. Everyone in the chase.
Dad, if she's struggling, put Kiralee as a backpack and let her float. Let Kiralee take the ball.
So it's actually in the screen.
Get in, Rashad.
My Bill and Evelyn girls to score, finish at half off.
Come on,
It
clear.
just does the wide, two wide runs.
Get up, Kira. Get up. Over. Get up, Kira. Well done, Giovanni.
We're getting there, but we're not wrapping the ball up. We're getting there, but just not, you know, and we're not like ill-disciplined with the ball. It's creeping in from last week. Like we cannot need to turn the ball over on the second tackle. Like we just killed ourselves.
Lexi, who scored that? Bella, Mia. What are the twins? I don't know. Mia's got a ponytail. Bella's got the plait today. It was Mia. No, it was one with the ponytail. Yeah, Mia. Yeah, that one. Bella. Bella. Yeah, Bella told me to go. Tell me how to Mia score that. Did Mia score that? Mia. No, she stopped it. She stopped the... Yeah. I want to do what I want. I want to share this. You guys are going to tell me which is which.
Thanks, that buddy. You know what to do with it.
She goes, oh, no, the ball. She's like... frog on the time.
Yeah, four back all the way to us. He knows the fight.
Now bring the line up, girls! Get up, girls, get up! Get up, Kira! Kira, get up! Yeah, good girl! Get up!
Get up,
Work, Rashad! Work, Rashad!
Slow it down!
Go, Leah! She's gonna come back in!
Sam, get there, Sam! Shout it, Sam! Press!
Well done!
Press!
Well done!
Good work, Aaron!
Well done!
Well done!
All good, Lexi. Head up.
Respect
Keep
the ball,
going.
Greenbank!
Ava!
Let's go!
Aaliyah!
Well done!
She's just doing it. She's got an orange. Well, I'm glad she asked.
Jakey, can you go through
Yeah.
what is up? Can you please, mate?
Oh, just done.
Oh, you done it? Yeah, well, that's what happens when we get people coming to training, mate.
Or girls.
That's right. That's exactly right.
Hold the bastard. Aaliyah, push in! Move in! Rashad, get ready! Move up! No, stay! Move up, girls! Move up! Forward! Yes!
Good work!
Let's go, girls!
Well done!
Let's go! Scrub!
Good work, son, mate! Well done, mate! Well done!
Pack your scrub, girls! Challenge.
Oh, wait. Is that what you Brisbane Broncos supporters
Hey, the only thing that's saving us is the scoreboard's not working.
Broncos all you Broncos
They should have the ref from the Roosters game. It would have been a try last night, eh? Tedesco was playing gridiron.
How forward was that to go forward?
Yeah.
It was a minute.
Go over! Go over! Aaliyah, let's go! Aaliyah! Go, Aaliyah! Go, Aaliyah!
Take them on!
Keep pushing.
Take them on!
Yes.
Go! Keep going! Keep going!
Who's next?
Good job, sis.
Again! Go, Roots! Go, baby!
Same way, Summer, same way!
Let it go, Grill! Let it go, Grill! Well done, Shelby! Stay deep here, Chloe!
Let's get you out to Kira. Let's get the ball, right? You that means the parents talking to me about not getting the ball. He's on that field.
Go, Ava!
Yes, Chloe.
Last tackle, last tackle!
Stop that.
Kira, get! Kira! Last!
Yes.
Oh, hello.
That's okay, Zoe.
Kick again! Run it, girls, run it! Nice! Come on, Chloe, push in, get in the middle!
When we're attacking, we give them water, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
When we're
yeah.
attacking, get out there and give them water.
Up, girls, up! Get up!
Come on, Summer.
Last play.
Touchdown. Oi.
Last time, let's go.
These boys are already starting to yarn with us, yeah? Showing them they've got no respect for us. They've got no respect for us. Oh, really? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's awesome. After the 15th today. Kira's controlling his team. You just got to go run and 5-8.
Sorry, they just cut the player off.
Half time. Get her to bring her over. Julian, that's Haley! Yeah, bring her over. Yes. Okay.
Good job, Father! Good job, girls! Can you please stretch my hip again? Please stretch my hip.
We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser, got the fire in my soul. Every step, every breath, getting closer to my goal. Haters gonna hate, but I keep my head high. Eyes on the prize, reaching for the sky. No pain, no gain. It's the anthem of the streets. With the heart of a lion, we will never face defeat. No pain, no gain. We rise above the flames, through the fire, through the rain. We embrace the change. No pain, no gain. We conquer every chain. With the struggle comes the strength. We will never be the same. No pain, no gain. We rise above the flames, through the fire, through the rain. We embrace the change. No pain, no gain. We conquer every chain. With the struggle comes the strength. We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser, got the fire.
On the red line, on the red line! Red line!
Red line.
Red line, girls on the red line!
A bit more so you can take off when she kicks off.
Move up, Summer! Hey!
That's it, forward, forward, forward. That's it, girls. She's got a good boot on her this one.
Bench, Ruby! Ruby! Get your hands ready! Get ready, Kira!
Wait, Bella, as soon as she kicks you run, yeah?
Summer!
Watch her.
Summer, get ready for back fence!
Wait. Take off.
Bob, get it! Work, girls, work! Work! Out! Work, Marcus! Get up, girls! Get up, Emily! Get across, go! Move up! Get out, Leo!
I want Kira off, I want her on now. You're on Kira.
This side. This side.
Inside, you're right inside.
Stop walking.
You've got to stay on the front side. You can't enter the field. You can't enter the field until Kira comes off.
Kira! Kira! Oh! Kira! Scala! Sca! Kira! Off! Off!
Hey, Lily. You're in double. Go nuts.
Ruby! Sienna, push in. She's going to be on the wing. Wait! Stay here. On the wing. Push in. Push in with the boat. Push in. Giovanni, push in. Big chase, girls! Stop! In the middle there, yeah. It's all over the place now. Big one, big one! Nice! Get up there, girl. Work, girls, work, work! Move in! Work! Good work, Ruby! Good work, Summer! You gotta work! Move up with the run! Sienna, move up! Get across! Get across! Come on, big girl, feel it, have a full day!
Run with her, girls! Yeah, go
Not yet.
I'm the hardest person.
Chase it, chase it, chase it, chase it, chase it.
Chase.
Pressure, girls.
Coming on, back, get on it.
Get up there, Kira, get on it, Kira. Kira, get up there.
Just drop the ball. Just drop the ball.
Let's go, Emily, let's go.
Work.
Get up, Summer, get up.
Summer, get in.
Emily, here, come Emily, let's go.
Must work.
Get up, Summer, get up.
Go, Molly.
Hold on, Scar.
Hold it down. Work, Chloe.
Summer, well done,
Yeah,
Summer.
Summer.
Good work,
Well
Summer.
done, Rosie.
Good down, Rosie.
Work, Chloe. Move. Get up there, Elise. It's yours. Forward pass.
Good pass. All the way.
Well done, Shelby.
Last work. Get up there, Elise. She's yours.
Yeah.
Forward.
Well done, Shelby.
Take her out.
Let's go, Ruby. Let's go.
Must work.
Emily,
Leah,
let's go.
must work.
Put your hand up, girls. Put your hand up forward.
If they get the ball, get behind there, give it us the water. When they need the water, we've got no reserve. We are down.
Tell them to work here. Tell them to work.
There's a penalty.
Emily, get in there, Emily. Let's go. Get in there. Kira Lee, your team, Kira Lee.
Oh, good run.
Good line speed, girls. Stay together.
Emily, you're next. Emily, you're next. Let's go.
Good run.
Kira, wait, hurry up. Move out. Move right out.
Up, girls. Up in the line.
Work stuff.
Good work. Good Villa. Good marker work.
Good work, Em.
Good job, Indy.
Mark tackle. Mark tackle. Kira Lee needs to take control. Kira Lee can take
Set defend, girls. Get ready.
Move up, Ariella, move up with the rep. Push in, Kira, push in. Get up, Emily.
Up, girls. Well done, Caroline. Drop the ball.
Good job, T. Find your front.
Ariella, Kira, up. Bus work. Up, Kira.
Get across. Get up. Yeah.
Well done, Summer. Well done, Rosie.
Go, Rosie. Let's go again, Rosie.
Go again.
Rosie. Oh, she's pumped up now.
Go again.
Get up there, Rosie. Get up.
Well done, Ariella.
Rosie, get across.
Well, take her out. Well done, Scarlett. Well done.
Good job, T.
Well done, Scarlett. You're okay.
Yeah.
Turn around, Rosie. Get ready. Here we go.
Tito.
Go on, off your line, Scar.
Get up, Emily. Get up. Get up, Chloe.
Scarlett.
Yes, go.
Yes.
Get on her.
Scarlett.
Good job, Molly.
Must work.
Last tackle.
Well done, Shabby. Well done, Shabby.
Oh, you've got the ball.
On there, Look on. Thank you. Leah, she needs to run to the forward. She needs to get in.
Get Kira Lee to run it. Kira Lee's got all the
Carolee's got to orchestrate this team.
Yeah, Viviana just stands there. Alright, I'm ready. Everybody she's got two of the biggest girls next to her. It's so funny to watch though, because she
Come with me.
Pull her off. Get her off.
Okay. Don't.
What's wrong? Oh, just with the notes.
No, I'm just saying. Reserve, that's all.
Go Ruby! Go Ruby! Pump Ruby! Pump Ruby! Ariella! Come wider! Come wider, Ariella! Come wider! Go in!
Ariella, push out.
Ariella, right to the line! Right to the line! Settle down, girls! Settle down!
Tap. Tap, girl.
Go Ruby!
Ruby! Go, Rosie! Go, Rosie!
Evelyn, Ellie.
Go, Rosie! Well done, Rosie!
Ariella, stay here! Stay here! Go Emily, go with her!
Middle!
Chloe, let's go! Go, Kira! Go, Kira!
In the change. Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Second row, Ari!
Ariella, second row! Yes, you are!
Yeah, 25.
Get up, Ariella!
Go, Ariella!
Work, Kira! Come this way! Come on, Rashawn, you gotta move up!
The second half of row! Second row! Now, this is my jump line!
Yeah, go, Shammy! Work together, girls! Ariella, you gotta bring the line up! Bring up the line! Bring up the line! Back!
And I can see you go like this.
Come mate, get back, mate! Back, girls! Richard!
Go, Chloe! Here we go, Chloe, here we go!
All yours, bro! All yours! Go on, Rube! Well done, Ariella! Well done, Chloe!
Work, Ruby!
Come on!
Get up, Kira, get up!
Well done, Kira!
Ruby, she's yours!
Well done, Chloe, again! Well done, Latia!
Turn around, Ruby!
Must work!
Get up, Ruby, stay in front of her! Come on, Emily, get up! Get up, Kira!
Yours, Aaliyah! Well done!
Hold it up!
Keep going to the centre, that's all we're going to do.
Let's go, Grandma!
All day now, they're just going to pick on that right side. All day.
It's alright, she might learn how to tackle.
Oh, fuck!
Tip is keep your head. Get a lead to take a bit of pressure off our forwards. If that means pushing Roo out to get a breath, get Roo out for a breath. Just get our forwards out to the centres. Just rotate to the centres. Just get a breath in game.
Forward.
Altitude!
One or two.
Scarlett! JJ, can we put her on the wing? Scarlett, on this one?
Was that? Who was that?
Good job, well done. Chest the corner. Chest the corner.
Come on, Kira! Push it out! Good work! Come on, Emily, in the middle!
Chase the tail! Chase! Put pressure on her!
Well done, Kira, well Shabby! That's work! That's work!
Get up!
Shepherd! Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Fucking thrown away, Mustangs.
Come in. I don't know. Come on, girls.
Come on, Greenbank! Stick together!
Talk it up, girls!
You know, you feel that fight that we got with that kick. In the neck chatty.
The other. Dummy half. Good shot.
Go in, Shah, go in! Go!
Kira, go!
Come on! Go! Hold it, Kira!
Good run.
Emily! Let's go! Software, Ribby!
Go.
That's it! Go
with it, Chloe. Yes! Kick on the score.
Rosie, let's go!
Middle!
Go close.
Go close! Well done, Rosie!
Mum must play football.
Up, girls, Richard. Move up with her. Come on, girls. Well done, Kira. Well done, mate. Work.
Emma, Kiara. Get across. Well done, Kiara.
Yeah, no, that's why I think she's hungry now.
Come on, John. Must work, must work.
Have a tackle, girls. Get up. Get in the tail.
Get in there.
Have a go, girls. Have a go.
Well done, come on.
Mate, tell them I'm proud of her. Get there. Tell them. Tell Rashaan. Tell Rashaan I'm proud of her getting involved, yeah? Oh, Tim? Tell Rashaan I'm proud of her getting involved, yeah? Good? Okay. Hey, you, obviously, when the chips are down, bud, you stepped up and you showed to me that, you know, you've got it. The last couple of times when the chips were down, you were playing the marbles and not the ball. But today you've proved to me, mate, you've done good. I'm so proud of you, mate. Unreal. Unreal. Very proud of you.
Bring Rana. Ellie just got
Just the forward. Just play footy.
Yeah.
That's all right. Just jump in the middle. Anywhere.
Tim.
Why is no one on that side? Jump on the other side. Where's Shaylee? Shaylee! Shaylee!
Charlie.
Other side.
Gotta go.
Quick!
Hold steady that.
Rashaan,
Wait.
So we got rolling.
Well done, mate.
Yes! Good work, Rosie! Well done, Rosie! Good pressure! Let's go forward, stick deep, let's go! That's the trick shot.
Stay positive, girls. Let's look for some positive. Ruby, you're still in the forward. Scarlett, move in.
Shah!
No, I was at the
Same way.
And again, altitude!
Go, Ruby.
And again, altitude!
Go, Sienna.
Rosie, let's go, middle, Rosie! Rosie, middle, let's go!
This way. Come on, Emily. Hold it.
Rosie,
Go
let's
for it,
go!
Rosie. Rosie, go for it. Go.
go! Go, Rosie! Go, Rosie! Well done! Well done! Well done, girls! Not good enough to get us to nil, girls! Not good enough to get us to nil. Well done! Woo! Good effort, girls. Good effort, good effort, good effort. Well done. Not giving up. Awesome work. Awesome work, girls. Awesome work. Few minutes, girls. How are you going?
Yeah, to see you run in, so good.
Tim. No wonder you're on field, Tim. That would get out of the bloody way.
Let's go, Greenbank, let's go! Finish strong, girls! Bring it home, girls!
Can we get it in? Can we get it? Yeah. Chase it, yes.
Big first, girls! Finish strong, girls! Finish strong!
Well done, Leah. Let's go, Leah. Let's go. Complete. Altitude. Let's go.
Up together, girls!
Get in there, Chloe. Chloe, Emily. Let's go.
Yeah, Niall! Yes, Niall!
Chase! Go, Emily!
Go, Emily.
Yes, go!
Go, Em.
Go!
Good run, girl. Emily, Chloe, Chloe. Let's go.
Chloe! Chloe! Go, Chloe!
Hi, Chloe!
Summer, let's go. Left. Go, Rosie. Let's go.
Oh, gosh, look at your numbers!
Go, Ruth. Go, Ruth. Go, Ruth. Oh, good ball, Ruth. Go, Leah.
Go, Leah!
Go, Leah.
Stay wide here, girls! Stay wide here! Let it go, girls! Let it go!
She is!
Go with that, Chloe.
Go,
Ruth. Oh, good friend. Go, Rosie. Go, Rosie. Good work.
Come on,
Pressure. Come on.
Chase it! Chase it!
All the way. Good work, man! Well done, Ed.